Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy S21 FE is now here at Straight Talk. This is a new phone for Straight Talk, but the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition has been out for over a year now. So, yeah, if you guys are looking for like a flagship phone or whatever, you guys are looking for like a fan edition of a flagship phone, here you guys go. Galaxy S21 fan edition came out last year, like I said, but this is a new phone for Straight Talk. So this one is a year old. So do keep it in mind if you guys are thinking about getting this phone. It's still a pretty good phone in 2022, and yeah, it looks like the Galaxy S21 from last year, obviously. So yeah, if you guys are familiar with the Galaxy S21 lineup and design and stuff like that, this is no different. Looks like that. So yeah, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is available in black, $699.99 for a retail price, or y'all guys can play monthly for it, $29.17 a month, 24 monthly payments there. So yeah, you do have a couple of options there. So there's the front of the phone. You guys have your hole punch there, earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. There's a front and back. It should have a back there, but it's not showing the back for some reason. It's kind of interesting. Here's the back of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. It looks like the Galaxy it looks like the Galaxy S21. It looks like that. So very nice looking phone. You know, you got your triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo, and you have a bit of a camera bump down the back, and you have an in-display fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure that you do. All right. Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G. Unleash epic fan power. Get more out of wherever you are hooked. Alright, hold on, let me read that again, because the way to get this thing set up is kind of confusing here. So it says here, unleash epic fan power. Get more out of whatever you are hooked on with Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G, the phone that helps you enjoy the activities you heart the most. And on the other side, this basically tell you guys will have the option to bundle your phone with a new contract plan. Service plan card is required for activation. The plans are not returnable or refundable. And it tells you that service plan card is required. It tells you that twice for some crazy reason. But yeah, this front and back of the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, it's basically a Galaxy S21 but slightly lesser specs on it. So speaking of the specs, you guys have your dimensions there, which is 2.84 inches width, 6.53 inches height, and 0.27 inches depth. 6.4 inch display, Full HD plus, dynamic AMOLED 2x 120Hz refresh rate, which is very nice. You get 3 cameras in the back, 12 megapixel rear, 12 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel ultra wide. You get a 10 megapixel front facing camera, 26 hours of battery there, Bluetooth, I think 5.0 or something like that. Battery specs, 4500 mAh battery, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, so that is a flagship processor. That was a flagship processor from last year. Yeah, from last year. You of course have GPS, hearing aid capabilities, and 26 hours of talk time. So yeah, if you guys want more information and specs about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, I will have that linked down below. What's in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition 5G smartphone, quick start guide, USB-C, data cable, and ejection pen. I don't think it comes with a charger, so you guys will have to have one if you guys don't have a charger. Alright. Features: all-day intelligent battery. Get the power you need for the activities you heart the most with a smart battery that keeps you going all day and into the night. Triple lens camera with portrait mode. I don't know why they got it like this, but whatever. Put your fan favorite on display with like-worthy photos and portraits every time. Shoot on an easy-to-use multi-lens camera. Night mode. Because life happens even in low light, night mode lets you capture epic after-hours photos no matter where you are or what time of the day. The dark is no longer a photo deal breaker. Smooth and strong display. Get more out of your mobile experience with scrolling that's bright, fast, and silky smooth. Do more of what you love on a screen that's super durable and easy on the eyes, whether you are outside or inside, day or night. 30 times space zoom with zoom lock. Too far? No such thing with 30 times space zoom. Get more stability with zoom lock and keep your focus. Ecosystem. Get more out of the activities you love the most when you connect the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition with Galaxy Buds and Galaxy Watch and stuff like that to the Samsung ecosystem. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition. Is now here at Store Talk, available now for $699.99 for a retail price, or $29.79 a month for 24 months. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get like a slightly older flagship-esque phone here, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is worth checking out here. It does have great specs. It has Android 12 right now. It's still getting updates. It should get updates for like another couple of years. Yeah, you guys are looking to get like an older phone, here you guys go. This phone came out last year, but it's new to Straight Talk. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.